Finance Minister Caroni admits that giving out annuity to former Caroni workers has not been an easy task. Delivering certificates to former Caroni workers on Friday, the minister says while the process went smooth for former monthly paid workers, the daily paid workers was a different story.
The database of the current and potential beneficiaries of the daily paid pension arrangements was woefully inadequate. The database now it contains records of 10,094 former daily paid employees who would normally be entitled to pension benefits. However, it became clear from the outset that the database contains significant number of errors.
However, Minister Nunes Teixeira says many former Caroni workers are not capitalizing on residential plots, forcing the company to put a deadline on how long lands would be made available.
We have noted that several eligible former employees have not accepted the offer. And I wish to point out that Caroni is now taking steps to advise, so I hope you're listening very closely. Caroni is taking the steps to advise those individuals that the offers are being revoked in the context of their failure to meet the timeline established.
She adds very soon residential lots, which will be increased by the EMBD, would also be accessible to other citizens at the same subsidized rate.
It is the responsibility of the Housing Development Corporation to deliver those remaining 10,300 service lots to the national community at similar prices to those which are being paid by the former Caroni employees.
For CNC3,